Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find people who have blocked on Twitter and how to unblock them. So first I go and open my Twitter account. First step, I will go and block anyone here. I will go here and tap on block. So if you want to go to your block list, first step you go and tap on profile icon on top left here. After this you go and tap on setting and privacy. After from this page we go and tap on privacy and safety, and from here if we scroll down you will find mute and block. Just open it, and from here you go and tap on blocked accounts here. It will show you all people or all Twitter accounts you have blocked them. If you want to unblock any one of them, you just go and tap on this icon here, blocked, and it will be unblock from your blocked accounts. So thanks for watching. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe to our channel.